How to trade Forex on Oanda. Oanda Currency Converter is an online tool that provides real-time exchange rates and currency conversions based on market data. It supports multiple currencies, offers historical rates, and includes fee calculations for accurate conversions. First, go to Oanda website and log into your account. On home page, click here. Then select Forex from here. Then click on your favorite stock from here.
Click on Buy.
Here select Unit Available, Take Profit Price, Stop Loss Price, Trailing Stop, and Upper Bound. Then click on Submit button. Your Forex order submitted. That's it. Thanks for watching.